Thank you, Jacob and Xavier. I'm Sophia, and here in the kitchen, the Christmas season has finally arrived. So today, I'm going to be making a classic holiday dessert, my family's favorite gingerbread cookie recipe.
For the recipe, some ingredients you might not have on hand are molasses, ginger, nutmeg, and a stick and a half of butter. If you need to, get the butter out early to warm to room temperature. The first step is to cream together the brown sugar and butter, which I have already done, with just a butter knife. It takes a little work, but we got there. The next step is to add the half cup of molasses, large egg, and the teaspoon vanilla. And next I have sifted together all the dry ingredients, including the ginger, cinnamon, the nutmeg, salt, cinnamon, and baking soda, plus 1 cup of flour. It's best to add the flour 1 cup at a time, since that's easier to mix. Mix in the next 2 cups of flour, and now it's starting to look like dough. You can wash your hands and knead it. It doesn't take much. And next, get a sheet of wax paper, spread out the dough or cut it into small discs, and stick it in the fridge to chill for at least half an hour. Then roll it out to about 3/4 of a centimeter thick and cut out gingerbread men or whatever shapes you like. Then put them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 7 to 8 minutes. These turn out to be very soft and flavorful and are fun to decorate with icing and sprinkles.
And that's all for today. I hope you all enjoy these gingerbread cookies as much as I do. Try them for your next holiday party or family gathering. Thank you for watching and have a happy holiday. Back to you, Email.